So many roads to go before the dawn. Just take my hand, don't let us come undone. You may not see the glow, but I see it shine. Keep holding on, cause we're too far from done. And I know you could be the one, cause we all live for the love. We all live for the love.
Hi guys, good morning. So this is what I do on an everyday basis. So let's get started. The first thing that I do is moisturize my face, and then we are going to move on to primer. This is my all-time favorite primer. Then let's move on to foundation. This is my all-time favorite foundation as well. It's very lightweight. It might seem like I do a lot of steps, but I actually love when my skin looks flawless. I don't do much on my eyes. Then this is my Eco Tools sponge. It's so soft, guys. I love the sponge. Then you gotta conceal those dark circles. For that I use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. So you gotta set everything so that it lasts all day long. So this is like a quick step for me. I just use my Nykaa Skin Genius compact powder and set everything on my face. Then let's move on to my favorite part, bronzing. Again, my all-time favorite bronzer. And I do this on a regular basis. I just clean my brushes on a tissue paper. That's like one of the hacks to clean my brushes, at least clean them how much I can.
Keep holding on, cause we're too far from done. And I know you could be the one, cause we all live for the love. We all live for the love. Even though we've only begun.
And then my favorite blusher, the Milani Baked Blush in Bellissimo Bronze. It gives me a little bit of glow as well as a lot of warmth. And then my favorite highlighter as well, the Nykaa Glow in Gliterrati. The gold one is to die for, guys. And I do this for all my brushes. I clean them before using it on a tissue paper. That's a hack that I use every day. Then a little bit of color on my eyelids. For that I just use a warm brown color. All the warm tones are so flattering on an everyday basis, and they make you look natural but yet so put together. So beautiful as well. So on an everyday basis, I just use one eyeshadow color and apply it all over my eyelids, and then lots and lots of mascara as well. And as usual, I got mascara on my eyelids. Don't worry, I have a hack for that as well. Just to open up our eyes, I use a bright pink eyeliner. And then I do my brows. If you want to know how I do my brows, I'm gonna link it. Okay, then comes the hack, the cleaning of mascara. After it's dried, I just take a Q-tip and clean my eyelids, and using the other side of the Q-tip, I highlight my inner corners. Again, this step is so important. It just instantly opens up my eyes. And then lipstick, y'all can use any lipstick. I prefer to use a nude lipstick and a lipstick in a bullet because they are way more comfortable.
Just take my hand, don't let us come undone. You may not see the glow, but I see it shine. Keep holding.
And then you gotta set everything. For that, I use my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. And voila, I am ready.
Even though we've only begun, we give it all for
I just put on some earrings. I love these. These are from Shein.com. They're so beautiful. So guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
till I'm